Hi guys, it's Leena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming and testing out the Chi Lip Contour Kit. This is in the shade Nude Pout. It comes with a lip liner, a lipstick, and also some lip gloss so you can coat it on the top. I think it's a bargain. It's 25 bucks, as you can see, Australian dollars. I got it in Target and there were a huge range of other shades you could get, and they all come with a lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. I think that is just such a great deal, and I don't know if this was like the sale price, but oh yeah. So it was $25 and it was valued at $42. There you go. Still a great deal. I mean, obviously if it's good, we're gonna find out, but in a high-end store, you're probably gonna pay $42.85 for one of these. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Bargain or not, let's see if it's any good. So this is the Stay On Lip Liner, the Viva La Diva lipstick, and the Chandelier Lips lip gloss, and as I said before, this is in the shade Nude Pout. If you don't like these shades, there are plenty of other shades you can choose from. Should we do a package review? No, it's Chi. We don't care. As I said, it comes with a lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. The lip gloss looks absolutely stunning. Obviously I'm going to line my lips first, so I'm going to get out the little lip liner. Cool. So the lip liner it comes with is in shade Totally Nude, and if we get it up, that's what it looks like. If we're going to do a swatch on my gross hand, that's the swatch we're getting. So a beautiful nude shade. That's like the perfect nude, I swear. The lipstick, the Viva La Diva lipstick, is in the shade Center Fold. Really beautiful and pretty packaging, I think. Take the lid off, swirl him up, beautiful nude shade, and I'm gonna say it's like a salmony pink, like a cooked salmon. And swatching it up against that lip liner, and there we go, that is the shade we've got. So that is the lipstick swatch. Now we got the Chi lip gloss. This is the Chandelier Lips edition in Brat Pack. Cool. So it's a lip gloss, and it's, as you can see in the packaging, it's really like shimmery. Can you see that? It's like a really shimmery gloss. For opening it, nice doe foot applicator, and then let's swatch it next to that. Oh, it's like a really nice clear, beautiful lip gloss with some shimmers in it. I'm really curious to see, you know, that really annoying feeling of shimmers on your lip and you can actually feel the sparkles like grinding on your lips. Wonder if it's like that. But all in all, I love a lip gloss that doesn't have color in it. Maybe just like a tint, but not too much color. It's kind of off-putting to me anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off what I've got on my lip. I actually had another lipstick on previously that tinted my lips, but at the moment I've actually got the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam, and honestly, stunning. It's not a pink, it's literally just a clear gloss. Anyway, what am I doing? We're not talking about e.l.f., we're talking about Chi. Let me take this off. Lately, honestly, cannot hold my bladder to save my life. And before anyone comments, no, I'm not pregnant. Let's go ahead and do the lip liner in the shade Totally Nude. Okay, just gonna line my lips and let's see how it applies. Okay. It's a really nice peachy salmony color. Just hoping it's not too light. So far it moves really nicely. Now the reason I grabbed this box in particular is because I just know everyone loves a nude. Anyway, I need to shut up because I can't do this. Oh, I've got a smile line. Can you see that? Terrible, Leenie. Let me know down below if you guys want to see like a Q&A. I think it would be really, it'd be funny, but I also think it'd be really beneficial just to everyone who doesn't really know me personally. Yeah, I just kind of want to create that little bit more of a friendship vibe, because that's how I feel at the moment. Like, you're all my little angels. I love you all. I just can't even thank you enough for just even watching this. So personally, I'm someone who likes to line the lips like all over. I don't really like to just do the outside. I kind of like going on the corners and then in the middle as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. What I find hard about these retractable lip liners is I can never really get that perfect point because you can't sharpen it yourself. So there's the lip liner done. It's a stunning shade, really nice nude. And then I'm going in with the Chi Chi Viva La Diva lipstick in Centerfold. And I'm just gonna go all over with this. Really creamy. There's definitely like a perfumey and a taste to it. It's reminding me of something. You know when smells just bring you back to somewhere? Like if I smell this perfume from Big W, it just reminds me of year 7, like because I used to always buy it, you know, that kind of thing. I'm just gonna pat that in. We can always go back in with the lip liner if we find it's a little bit too light. We're kind of losing the shape of our lips. Like personally, just from here, I would have liked to go in with like a darker, definitely not that one. I would like to go in with a darker lip liner, like something like Cork or Strip Down by MAC. I think that would have been a perfect lip liner, and then smudged in that really nice light shade. But anyway, it's looking really beautiful. It's a nice nude, of course. It's bringing in that pink kind of tone now, but I'm gonna go in now with the Chi Chi lip gloss in the shade Brat Pack. Oh, I like it so far. It's got a smell. Ooh, it's kind of like bubblegum. See, this is what I love about glosses. It just brings it all together. Oh, it's a nice gloss. Like when I just rub my lips, it's a nice gloss. It is a nice gloss, let me tell you that right now. Rubbing my lips together, I can't feel that, you know, when I was talking about that really, you know, you can feel the flakes of the glitter. There's not that sensation. It's just, this is what I love about gloss. It just plumps your lips without, you know, overdrawing or anything. It just gives that three-dimensional look, and I am loving it. So that is the final result to the Chi Chi Lip Contour Pack. So let me just show you what it comes with once again. It comes with these 3 little babies right here. So you've got the lip liner, and you've got the lipstick, and then of course the amazing gloss. So loving that. I would be curious to see how the lip gloss goes on its own, because I'm a fan of lip gloss and I'll wear it on its own. Just an update, I tried the lip gloss on its own and I love it. It's amazing. Not getting that gross, you know, feel of the glitter, and I'm also not getting any gross marks. It's really nice and thick, but it's not that gross sticky feeling. Like I'm able to move my lips and it's giving off that really nice, beautiful, glossy look, that three-dimensional look at my big lips. Love it. So yeah, anyway, back to you. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's a bit of a random video, but I was curious to see how these lip contour kits worked. I'm a lover and a fan of Chi Chi products, so if I was curious to see how it worked, then I'm sure some of you out there are curious as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.